Guys, good morning! So, mag-unbox tayo guys. Dumating ang aking parcel. Nag-order ako ng Fit Gum. Wow, nakabox talaga guys. Nag-order ako kay Rosmar. Tingnan natin guys kung effective ba talaga itong product nila. So, sealed talaga guys. Nakabox pa ang kanilang product. Ang galing. So, mahirap pa nito guys pagbukas. Ano ba ito guys? Yan guys. Wow, look. Fit Gum Organic Barley with glutathione and collagen. So, iinom tayo nito guys today. So, try natin kasi kailangan daw siyang inumin in an empty stomach. So, kagising ko lang guys. Unboxing agad para makainom tayo. So, may freebie sila guys. Moisturizing mask. Pomegranate. Yun. Yun ang prutas na to guys. Try din natin to sa ating face. So, in order ko guys, ang cute ng free bottle nila guys. Ang galing. So, ang in order ko guys is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 box to guys for $8.99. At saka yung isang box ay may 15 sachets. So, buksan natin to guys. Excited na akong uminom nito guys dahil yung mga review sa iba guys lang nag-skim sila. Kasi ako, I'm getting fatter. Look guys, ganyan siya. Ito guys, may individual na sachet. It's organic barley. Let's try natin to guys. Kuha lang ako ng baso. Cute ng lagayan guys. So, hugasan ko lang tong lagayan nila guys. Mag-try tayo nito today ng organic barley. So, ito na guys. Ilagyan ko lang ng almost kalahating normal na tubig. Hindi mainit. So, try ko na to guys. Mabango siya guys. Good. Pure barley. Nakikita ko to kasi kang Mario, ginaganon siya. Mix. Let's try guys. Masarap ba to guys? This is my first drink for the day. Healthy living tayo guys. Ma-carry mo na ang taste niya guys. Wala siyang lasa. Pero dili siya sagbot og taste. Yeah. Look guys, naubos ko. May mga residue. Kailangan mo i-mix talaga thoroughly. So, yan guys. I like it. Parang carry mo lang siyang inumin. I'm so happy for today. Kaya binili ko na yung pinaka package na makakarami ka para you will see the result. So, ano ako guys, 73 kilos as of today. So, titingnan natin if I will get slimmer drinking this organic barley. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next review of healthy organic products. Have a blessed day. Bye.